Today we're doing a light reset in the living room and kitchen, and I have a little craft I'll share with you later. To my fellow Canadians, I hope you had a wonderful family day. Whether you spent it with family or just enjoyed a quiet day, I hope it was a nice little break. These quick resets don't take long, but they make a big difference. I love how even a few minutes can shift the whole mood of the room. It's just amazing how a little tidy up can feel so grounding, especially after a busy weekend. Okay, it's the next day, and this cat food lid has been in the vinegar all night. It looks like the vinegar ate away at some of this. I don't have to know about the vinegar. It's burning my skin again. It looks like a lot of it has come off. Not all of it, though. It's definitely faded off and broken some of it off. But I'm going to try some hot water right now. It's obviously better, but it would have been nice if it just all came off. You hear that? It's like it's made itself part of the silicone. So yeah, I don't know where I got this from, but it's a silicone cat lid. I guess if this one doesn't come clean, I wouldn't expect any of the other types to come clean. I have this lid. I don't know where that came from either, but that's just more of a plastic and it cleans easily. So, vinegar worked to some degree, and that's household 10% strong vinegar. I don't know what else to try. And since we're here at the sink, we may as well get a few dishes that are left, so that way we're on top of things. I have a grocery order coming today from Walmart, so it's always nice to have a clean slate when you get one of those. I might seem to over-rinse my cups, but if I don't, I find they taste like soap. So I'd rather over-rinse a little bit than get soap in my mouth. I tried filling the rinsing side of the sink with cold water, just washing in one side, rinsing in the other, and that doesn't get the soap taste out of cups. Or it make my plastic plates end up tasting like soap too. So I don't mind filling up one side and putting dishes in there to soak, but for rinsing I prefer to have running water, and I don't turn it on very high, and I mostly try to use cold, because I don't want that soap taste, in case anybody's wondering why I like to run my water to do it. I'm always mindful of water and wasting water. I try to keep it as minimal as I can. I'm conscientious to turn it off and on as I go. I know what time it has to be, so. Okay, that's done for now. Our grocery order is here. Just get that inside. Look, they didn't forget the milk this time. Yep, last time I got no milk. The whole reason I had placed the order was to get milk. That's the second time they've done that to me. And I don't drive. I can't just go to a store and get milk that easily. So I was really upset about that. Just ran out of coffee today. Placed this order at the right time. Okay, it looks like I don't think they forgot anything. It's just a small order. More bags to flatten again. But you know what? I'm glad for this grocery delivery service, because taking a bundle buggy, walking 25 minutes to the grocery store in all kinds of weather, dragging a bundle buggy back that's full of groceries, you know, there goes those drinks again. 25 minutes up and down hills. It was really hard on me. Brighten will be happy. He's got his peach juice. His favorite flavor of everything always seems to be peach. Look at that. We can make a fried egg sandwich later when we're done our Valentine. Well, it's not a Valentine craft, but it's like a Kleenex box recover with pink to match my new decor in the living room. This is why I don't talk live, because I always forget what I'm saying, or don't really have it planned what I want to say. Cannot run out of sugar. I hate when I'm running out of sugar. I'm not used to the cupboards being this way. Okay, sugar's down here now. I don't like running out of sugar because I mainly just use it in my coffee. I don't like bitter coffee. These cats think if I'm in the kitchen that they're being fed. They were fed 3 hours ago. And they have crunchies down. I know. You're going to tell everybody how starving you are. Oh, the cruelty in this house. And I used to give these cats a full can. It's like the small cans. This size. I would give that to them. Split it between these two because my other cat, Lucky, doesn't really care for wet food as much. She likes a little bit here and there. But I would split it between these two. Patchy, my white cat, barfs all the time. So now I have to give very little amounts more often. which used to be every 6 hours, but they seem to think it's whenever I walk in the kitchen. I am going to enjoy some of this banana bread. You know, I can make my own banana bread. I'm just not a big fan of baking and cooking. I was at one point. I don't know what happened. I should start baking again. So I thought it would be fun, even though it's past Valentine's Day, I thought it would be fun for the new box. This is empty, so I got a new one. And I thought just to make it match the pink theme that I have going in my living room now, I'll take some of the hearts from the foam kit that I bought and then put them all around the top here. So that's what I'm going to do, and I figured I would let you join me while I work on that. Right in the center of that heart. So do you like doing crafts with me? I think people get bored of just seeing cleaning, so I'm going to I'll try to incorporate more of this into my cleaning videos if people like it. Or even if they don't, what if I like it? Just to include it anyway. Okay. Ta-da! Oh, that looks really pretty. I like it. See how it looks in here. My son's gonna come over from his dad's and come into the living room and be like, what happened while I was gone? Pink and hearts everywhere. I wonder if I was gonna say, I wonder if he'll notice. Of course he would notice. Look. That looks really nice, actually. Alrighty, now that we're done that, it is time for the repair shop. Oh my god. Okay, I had to turn off the camera so I could hold her leg to her body better. Okay, well, she's sleeping it off. So we'll let her sleep and work on the next one. There's our fairy sleeping it off in the land of hearts. The Kleenex box. It has officially been named the land of hearts. I'm just having a glass of milk and some of this warmed up banana bread with butter on it. That just about wraps up the video. We're just gonna get these bags folded up, ready for recycling for tonight, to be put out for a pickup tomorrow. Thank you so much for sticking with me. To my cozy crew, I'm truly grateful you made it to the end. From my little nest to yours, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Items carried, put away, small